Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. My name is Fadila from Mathematics Education Program, State University of Jakarta, class 2020. In this video, I will tell you and explain about Roman numerals. Okay, a short history about Roman numerals. Roman numerals originate in ancient Rome. It is believed to have come from the ancient Etruscans. The symbol for one probably began as a single tally mark made in wood or dirt as a way of counting and recording. It will be a very easy mark to make on a wax tablet too. As you can see on the bottom of slide, this is the symbol for one. Next, we have the letters for Roman numerals. Roman numerals consist of 7 letters. Okay, the I is equal to number 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Okay, rules for writing. 3 rules for writing the Roman numerals. First, rule of repetition. Second, rule of addition. Third, rule of subtraction. Okay, next we will explain about each rule. Okay, the first, rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3. Example, if we have M, we know that M is equal to 1000. So MM is equal to 1000 is multiplied by 2 is equal to 2000. Then, if we have MMM is equal to 1000 is multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. Okay, next the symbol I, X, C, and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, and 4 is equal to IV. Why is IV? We will answer that at the rule of subtraction. Okay, still in the rule of repetition, symbols V, L, and D are never be repeated. V is equal to 5, L is equal to 50, and D is equal to 500. So, if we write VV, is it 10? But the answer is no. 10 is written in Roman numerals as X. It's not VV, so it's so wrong. So, okay, how about 100? Is it LL? The answer is no. 100, we know that from the previous slide that C is equal to 100. So, 100 is equal to C. So, if we write LL or like VV is against the rule. Next, we have rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Example, xi is equal to 11. Why xi is equal to 11? We know that I is the smaller value and is written in the right side. So we add I to the 10, to the x. X is equal to 10 and I is equal to 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So xi is equal to 11. Okay, so how about VII? We see that II is written on the right side. We know that II is 2 and V is 5. So we add 2 to the 5. So VII is 5 plus 2. So VII is equal to 7. Next is rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Example, given the xc. Okay, we know that x is 10 and c is 100. So, we know that x is smaller value and c is the higher value. Then we subtract we subtract x from c. So 100, so 10 is subtract from 100. So xc is equal to 90. Still in the Roman numerals, rule of subtraction, the symbol V, L, and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Example, if we give the 95 and we want to write it on the Roman numerals, we write it as XCV. Why we can write that as VC? Because the symbol V, L, and D cannot be subtracted from any number. And that's the rule. And if you write as VC, it's against the rule of subtraction. The next, I, X, and C are used to subtract. Example, IV is equal to 4, XL is equal to 40, and CD is equal to 400. Okay, so this is the end of my explanation. Thank you for your attention. I hope you guys understand my explanation about Roman numerals. Have a nice day, everyone.